In the Mid-South, too many of us are struggling with excess weight, which can create a higher risk of developing life-threatening conditions like heart disease and cancer. That's why Methodist Labana Healthcare has launched the Healthier 901 Challenge, a movement focused on unifying the community around a collective goal of shedding 1 million pounds. Hi, I am Chef Ragan Oglesby-Phillips, and I'm so proud to be a part of this movement. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get on the path towards a stronger and healthier lifestyle, one simple meal at a time. Let's get cooking. This ground turkey sweet potato skillet will be ready to eat in less than 30 minutes, and you will be amazed at how flavorful it is. It is a perfect one-pan meal for you to enjoy. For this meal, we will need 1 pound ground turkey, 1 medium onion, 1 shallot, 3 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup tomato paste, 1 medium sweet potato, 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 3 cups of fresh kale, 1 medium avocado, parsley, crushed red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste. Let's go to Kroger. Making small, simple changes from a white potato to a sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are packed with potassium and vitamin A and great for fiber. Instead of having a fried French fry from a potato, you can always do this with a baked sweet potato or baked sweet potato fries. When shopping for kale, you want to make sure you have beautiful, deep color of green. You don't want any discoloration or any yellowing, and you want it to be firm to the touch. No limp kale for our kale salad. A great source of protein is ground turkey. This is 93% and 7% fat. It's low in sodium and great for the recipes that call for ground beef or even ground chicken, but it makes a great burger lettuce wrap. You can do turkey tacos. It is a great substitution when we're trying to cut and have a great lean meat. Turkey is your way. Now that I have all my ingredients, let's head to the kitchen. Well, let's jump right on in while we prepare our ground turkey sweet potato skillet. Let's add a little bit of olive oil. So we'll first start with browning our lean turkey meat. Then we'll add in our white chopped onion, shallots, and garlic. You're gonna continuously stir this once things start to brown. The reason why I say that is because you do not want to brown or burn your garlic. Okay, so we got our sizzle. We got the sizzle going. So we're gonna start to brown our ground turkey. I want you to remember back the last time you made ground beef, you had a ton of oil in your skillet and you have to drain it. That goes into your body. So when you're using a lean turkey, we are getting all the good things in and getting the bad stuff out. Kroger also offers a ground chicken if you're just a person that doesn't like turkey. So we're gonna start to combine our vegetables as they become tender. When we are trying to make those life changes, we want to stay excited about what we're eating because sometimes you can get bored with certain things or maybe it doesn't carry over really well. This one pan wonder actually does. You have some sturdy things in here, a lot of flavorful items that you won't get bored on after having it maybe twice or 3 times. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our tomato paste. Now this tomato paste is also low in sodium. Tomato sauces and tomato paste are notorious for hiding a lot of sodium and a lot of sugar. Now we're gonna add our seasoning, our herbs, and a little bit of red pepper flakes. You don't want it too spicy. I would like to say that smoked paprika is the little hidden jewel that people overlook sometimes, but it gives a smoky, warm flavor. And when we are eating healthy, we need to pull out all of the stops to flavor things. We're adding in chicken broth. Give this a good stir. Now we're gonna add in our cubed sweet potatoes. We're gonna bring it up high. Let's get a boil on it. Okay, we've brought it to a boil. We will reduce the temperature, cover it, and allow the sweet potatoes to become fork tender. Now that our sweet potatoes are tender, we're going to add in our 3 cups of kale. We're not going to cook this long. We just want to make sure that our kale becomes wilted. I love to use kale because it is hearty, it's crunchy, it's dense, and it also will hold up. This smells amazing. It does, it's coming down. You see how pretty and bright? That's the wonderful thing about vegetables. You don't have to cook them so long. We want to keep that pretty bright color. Rule of thumb, do not overcook your vegetables. We're gonna go ahead and get it plated. Look how beautiful those colors are. The beautiful sweet potatoes and that wonderful kale. Love, love, love. Let's add a little bit of avocado. We got to jazz that thing up. Delish, our one skillet wonder. Now let's meal prep. Now this is a fantastic meal prep item. It'll keep 3 to 5 days, really 5 days. Everything is really sturdy. We have a great root vegetable, sweet potato, packed with potassium and delicious flavors. So we can have it for the evening and then we can have it for lunch the next day. It's always great to have these things on hand when you're hungry. If you're trying to make lifestyle changes, sometimes things can get difficult if you don't have healthy options to choose from on those times when you've got busy. But if you meal prep, pack these in the fridge and add them to your lunchbox, it becomes routine for you and we can always stay on track. Remember, small changes yield big results. Thank you for joining me as a part of the Healthier 901 movement. Together we are working to create a healthier, happier Mid-South. You can find more recipes on healthier901.com or in the free Healthier 901 app. See you next time.